Hey guys, I'm not sure I've given you enough footage where I'm surrounded by toilets, public urinals and whatnot. And if you're a female, this is where men piss. Usually there's a sign here that says, if you can piss above this line, the fire brigade needs you. In this room there's usually some sort of graffiti that says, toilet tennis, look left, and on the other side it says, look right. So you just go like this. And imagining going, toilet tennis. Unfortunately they haven't installed the sound effects to give that surround sound experience you might need to appreciate the toilet tennis. But I find graffiti is a welcome amusement while you're sitting on the dummy. The dummy. How many words do you have in your country for toilet? I was speaking to my friend about it today. He's just married a Vietnamese lady, and they use the word toilet in Vietnam most of the time. There's phang choa or something like that, which also means toilet, but they don't use that. They use toilet, but they don't understand dunny or loo or water closet or all the other things we say in the English language. That thing went off by itself. I didn't do nothing. I think it's on a timer. I can't see a sensor. Very clean toilet. There are no toilet cakes either, as you can see. There's no bad smell. I don't know how they're achieving that. A toilet cake, yeah, that's what they're called. They live generally in yellow kind of cake form, little like hockey puck shaped disc down there underneath the grating to eliminate smells and so forth. It's about 12:30 at night. I went out with my dad actually tonight. We went for Mexican food. My God, Mexicans are the best. Why is there any other food? Why? There's nothing else required except maybe ice cream. Except maybe if it wasn't taken from cows who had to suffer. You know, I think beer is actually full of bugs as well. Bugs. Actual bugs are used to filter beer and wine. I don't see any reason why that needs to happen either. Today in acting school was the last day of the week. And myself and my friend, we performed. Unfortunately, I never see him outside of school. I'd love to. He's so full of good stories. Really good life stories that he's been through. It's amazing, I love it. We performed my script, I wrote it, and it's about a guy who's sitting there holding his gun from the Special Operations Group. And I come along as a sergeant and I say, get the fuck up, you pussy, stop worrying about the fact that you just shot a 15-year-old because he was about to shoot his family. He says, no, it was his BB gun. Anyway, really in the script, if I do say so myself. I've got to write more stuff. Anyway, I'm on a quest tonight to try and meet people. There's hardly anyone out there anymore. It's Wednesday night in Melbourne. I might have to move country. Sydney at this time of night would be like dead because there's a lockout law. It means you're not even allowed to go out at this time of night. Here in Melbourne you can buy alcohol 24 hours a day. There's always something open, but it's just not very well populated on a Wednesday night. I might have to go back home and play Assassin's Creed Origins on my triple 55-inch screen setup, which is fucking awesome, but still it's lonely. It's not like I'm hanging out with some people or, you know. When I lived in Bondi in Sydney, I just always brought people back home and had after parties and stuff. Maybe I should start playing music again on stage or something. At the moment, my best shot is go and hang out by the pool table, see if I can join a game. Can I play with you? Will you be my friend? by the way, this is still French lace. Something important for you guys to note. I just ordered 6 hair pieces from Lord Hair for $520. They're 0.03mm poly. You'd be able to do this too if it's your first time purchasing from Lord Hair. After you've logged in, you've got to register, confirm your email, then come back to the site once you're registered. Order a 6-pack, and it was $520. So normally it's like $699 or something. But then you put in StickOnHair, that's my coupon code, you're allowed to use that. Gives you 20% discount. 20% is a lot. It's 1/5 of the price removed, so you don't have to pay for that. Anyway, so instead of $6.99, I paid like $5.20 or something like that, $5.60 maybe, I don't know. Anyway, you don't have to do the maths, just go to lordhair.com and then just order a 6-pack of poly. And I've told you it's got the V-loops and they can fall out. But when you've got a short haircut, if you don't fuck around with it too much, it won't fall out as easily, right? And then that wall of hair problem that you get with the V-loops, you get it with all hair pieces, to be honest. But the good thing about these ones are they use hair dye, not clothing dye, on the poly, and so therefore, if you just put that peroxide along the front hairline on all your hair pieces, on all 6 of them, in my case 18 of them, because I can get 3 hair pieces out of each hair piece, but most of you can't. It doesn't matter. Maybe you can get 6 hair pieces that are just like the thinnest possible. There's French lace, Swiss lace, and 0.03mm poly ultra thin skin, right? Ultra thin skin is the most realistic looking, and you can paste the glue onto the poly itself. You don't have to just glue your head down and guess where the front hairline would be. I still recommend the best way to do that, by the way, to apply the poly, is to pre-glue your hairline, the back part of your hair, wherever that goes back to. Pre-glue all that shit. Then leave that front bit exposed, then glue that bit, and then just plump it down after that's dry. And you get 100% perfection. You won't have to worry about where it lands, because it's going to land exactly where you want it to land. And there'll be no over gluing here that you've got to rub off or anything like that afterwards. And maybe use that Sports Max Pro stuff from Walker that you can put down to eliminate the sweat that comes out of your scalp, which would just make it perfect. It sort of makes your forehead or your scalp kind of plastic. So therefore when the glue comes down, it adheres and there's never any sweat coming up because it's been blocked. I haven't tried it in summer or in any temperature that's really hot because it's still only springtime here. And I apologize for all the vibration here, but that's the way to do it. But for $520, I looked at toplace.com and they were like $270 per hair piece. So what is that? That equal times 6. That's a fucking huge amount of money. But for $560 or whatever it is, $520, you can get six hair pieces. I'd run if I were you. It's a good deal. Am I drunk? No. Would I be let into a pub? Well, I just was. And have I been going to a pub crawl tonight? Kinda, yeah, I have. I might go back to the internet and try to find a woman through that. Or maybe just go out on a Friday or Saturday night, because Wednesday's not the ideal night to go out. At any rate, I'm not going to run out of hair. I've conjured up $560 American dollars, by the way. In Australia, that equated to $800 through PayPal. That's a fair bit of money. I mean, you could buy a third of a car almost with that much money. But I've got a year's supply, 18 hair pieces. For me, like I said, I can cut my hair pieces into 3, but you can get 6 hair pieces for about $520. So, you should do it. I don't talk much about costs and things properly on this channel, but I think it's really important for you to know that at least I've compared it with toplace.com, and they were wanting $270 for one hairpiece, whereas Lord Hair want less than $100 per hairpiece if you use StickOnHair as the coupon code after you've registered, and if it's your first purchase with the email address that you've registered with. So do that. They'll give them some more money and they'll rise, and I want them to rise because they're a great company. And the thing is, they can deliver to me within 3 days. And by the way, fuck man, I can't believe it actually. Wait 1 second. DHL, if I was to send something to them or to somewhere else in the world with DHL, with that much weight and that much size, with the box and the packaging and everything, I don't know, it would be $100 at least, and that's included in the price. So if you extract the cost of shipping from that price, you'd be saying, all right, well, I'm getting 6 hair pieces, full hair pieces, for about $400 American, and then the cost of shipping. So you're not gonna be able to find a better deal than that. I highly recommend it. Also, use StickOnHair as the coupon code, because you're not gonna get a discount without that. All right, thanks.